All right, class, welcome back to my time with fourth period. And we are going to be going over a few things that you are going to have to know for 3.4, 5, and 6. So sorry I was not here yesterday, but I'm feeling much better, and I'm so happy to be back with you guys. So we're going to start with inserting a video. As you can see, I have a video inserted already, and
Sorry, boys. I have dreams like you know.
as you can see, I was able to find a specific part in the video, play it, and then have it quickly end when I wanted it to stop. Well, how did I do this? Well, I went to insert. From insert, I went to video. From video, I would type in what I wanted, which in this case was Tangled I Have a Dream. I was then able to double click on it. From here on the right hand side, the formatting options will appear, and this is when you're able to start and stop at will. We are going to stop and start at, we're going to start at 2 minutes, and we are going to end at 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I can mute if I want to, but I don't want to because it's such a cute video. I can press present and
What about you? I'm sorry, me? What's your dream? No. Sorry, boys. I don't say.
And then going back to our video, as you can see, heads up, you cannot mask a video. And if this will stop, there we go. I'm going to now show you how to mask a photo. So we're actually going to get rid of all of these videos now. And we're going to go back to, let's open up a brand new slide and let's insert a photo. And Levi, since we haven't seen you in forever, name something really quickly that you would like a photo inserted of that is school appropriate. And awesome.
Dog.
Okay, dog. Well, all right. Which one?
The mean one.
All right. Of course, the mean one. All right. So as you can see, we have our upset dog. And to mask, which means to simply change the outline around it, not the border, which we've done that before, but to actually change how it looks, to change it from a rectangle to something else, you're simply going to go up here to this little button in between the crop and the reset. It says mask image. You're going to click, you're going to go to shapes. What shape should we use, Levi?
Square.
The square?
Or the rectangle.
Or the rectangle? Well, it kind of already is a rectangle,
Oh.
so choose something from here.
Triangle.
Okay, where is it? Where is that? Okay, here's the triangle. Okay, there you go. There you go. And that, guys, I mean, it is masking. From there, you can, Miss Dubois, stop it. You gotta hit from the sides, right, guys? There you go. Looks much better. All right, so that's masking, and that's how you would mask an image. Let me see. Just to show you an example on a more professional level, this is masking that was done of CEOs' faces. And it kind of goes part and parcel with masking, but of course it's going to be putting things in order. So I could insert countless images, and there you go. There we go. We want to talk about happy dogs and sad dogs. Maybe bring this image up over here. And I want to put that image right in front. So I'm going to bring it to the front. There you go. You can play around, change the order of the image at your whim, will, and pleasure. And again, remember, guys, we're going for a professional, more crisp look, which I'm aware this dog's face being out of the pictures is not necessarily true. But for example, you're going to be talking about tents and creating something with a background theme. So when it says to look for a picture of a tent, bless you, well, look for a picture of a tent. I don't care if it's a cartoon tent, as long as it's appropriate, or a picture of a Indian tent. Just find a tent and put it on and keep it professional. Are there any questions so far about inserting a video or masking? All right, finally, image options. So we're going to say goodbye to Angry Dog, and we're going to go back to Cute Dog. And there's two ways you can do formatting options. You can go up to the toolbar and literally click it up here, or you can right click and then find it right there. Now, there's lots of different things you can do. We've been here before, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the size and rotation. It's a lot of fun. But you can mess around with these some other time. But what I do want to show you, I'll change the color. There we go. I actually want to bring you to adjustments. And the reason I'm doing this is because in 3.5, you will be required to change the transparency. Here's the transparency, and as you can see, as I talk about it, look at how you can start to see the words in the back. So if I was to say, and bring it to the middle, there we go, Arial. Text color, let's make it like the dark purple, and let's make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we go. And I wanted to bring this up all right. Well, it doesn't work that way. I could change the transparency, and as you can see, a happy dog. And it looks, I don't know, semi-professional. It looks a little washed out, to be honest. Probably not the greatest color scheme, but you understand what I'm saying. So from here, we have talked about image options, particularly transparency. We have reviewed ordering options. Are there any other questions that anybody has? The final thing I want to go over is in I believe it's 3.6. I'm checking right now. Oh, we haven't gone over inserting a hyperlink, so we'll just go over that tomorrow. But in 3.6, you are going to need to be able to share something. So, by the way, this is a copy of a project sent to me by a student. This is not my project. Excuse me. And the reason why I'm showing you how to do this is because you are going to be given a project that is not your own, and you are going to be required to comment on it. Here is the comment section right here. From here, you can press comment, and you need to write the student's name, and then say, hey, great job. If you want this to show up in their email, click assign, and then you click assign again. All right, so you're going to have to be capable of assigning that. And to do that, again, you guys are going to have to share with each other, right? So I could add people to the groups. This is share with people or groups. I am so sorry. Wow. With that said, are there any questions? All right, with that said, guys, you now know how to mess around with image options, insert a video, change the minute-by-minute parts of the video, ordering objects has been reviewed, and you understand masking. All right, you're going to do great with 3.4, and we will talk about the final steps for 3.5 and 6 tomorrow. With that said, if you could get to your computers and get to work on 3.4, and it is available online to be turned in. If you don't finish it today in class, that's fine. I'm here to help you. If anybody needs any help, raise your hands, let me know. And these will be due in class work Friday at midnight. Everybody watching, thanks so much for watching. Period 4, you want to say bye?
Bye.